Silalele ngonyama bekunene. Siphisa umsindvo kwabe nemsindvo bekunene. Wena waphakathi.
Kwasha iningizimu Afrika yongana.
Sive sisukume simengete inyawo bekunene sihloniphe silo semhlaba.
Wayewethuke eMandebele nemaqhusa. Mswati simanga. Imani ligcwala limhlophe limshebeleti. Una kalisote la nyathela mahalinyane. Mswati nepipi.
Simane sakho sekuthula mzanzoni yamasakhe etimaste time mafutha. Namhlanje lokho solo sokhele njalo khayensela lemaswathi unye nemhlaba. Kwanzi sekuthula kusimama emhlaba wonke jikelele. Inkosi lebeyibhica batsale eveni ngecela sipho. Ngisengisebuke emenge belugolide konyene nesilver. Waso uphumele baleni ukuthi ucela kuthula kwanze eveni. Imambala kemswazi omnyama emaswathi nganisolo kubambisile. Nganzola ibamba omkhulu. Ethe unophakathi.
Mangalo labokhokho bakho emandulo. Lala lelivi lakho Mswati liyadungutela. Bona bakangwane sebakubiza bakula.
Emakhosikazi bantu bengosi Ndvunangulu ikhulu lijaji lelikhulu lisekela la Ndvunangulu emabandla ekweluleka tindvuna tembuso nabamele mave kuleli lo bukwesigodzi salapha kamanzini timenywa letibalulekile nanonke bekunene bo Commissioner General ababuya ngaphandle kuleli Commissioner General lo lapha kithi eSwatini nani nonke amaphoyisa e-correctional services siyanivusela kuMatsapha amaphoyisa.
Yemaswati, Your Royal Highnesses, Prime Minister, Chiefs, the Chief Justice, Deputy Prime Minister, Councillors, Cabinet Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Regional Administrator for the Manzini region, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the Commissioner Generals from the regions and beyond, Commissioner General and all ranks of His Majesty's Correctional Services, I greet you all here in Matsapha.
Maphoyisa namuhla sibuthene lapha correctional services lapho khona side njoba kulanga lenu leli maphoyisa phindze futhi kube langa la khona tophothula bonke labale beba vele ba recruitiwe njoba naku namuhla sebatawuvele nabo bathathe isigaba sekuba ngemaphoyisa ngalokuphelele emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, it's such a joy and pleasure for us to be here today on the double occasion where we have the Correctional Services Day and also the passing out parade of those officers who have been training, the recruits that have been training all along, and today is their day to be passed out and be presented as correctional officers.
Embekunene elangeni lelinjena satha lelithuba kunemukela nonke ikakhulu batali labo labakhona nabo batobona netihlobo tonke letikhona emkhatsisini nesive sonke labakhona nalababuya ngaphandle utokwati ukuthi batobona lo mkhosi wanamuhla babe ingcenye lo mkhosi bekunene.
We do take this opportunity in welcoming you all to this great event today. My special welcome goes to the parents and relatives that are here to witness the passing out parade of their friends and relatives here today. And further to those that are here amongst us from without our borders who have come to also join us for this great occasion here today.
Maphoyisa siphinde sithatha nelithuba nekumukela labo Commissioner General lababuya eAfrica njengoba eAfrica nayakha kwekuthi kune Vision 2063 yakha kwekuthi kufuneka kube kunyenti lokulungiswako eAfrica kufakwe tindzaba tekubuka tepolitiki te-economy tenhlalakahle nete-security nako konke ebekunene.
I take this opportunity again to welcome the Commissioner Generals who are from the African bloc. I do recall that when the Vision and Agenda 2063 was espoused, amongst the issues in the detail were the issues to deal with politics, economy, and security. It is for that reason that I'm gratified that you are all here in the furtherance of our 2063 agenda.
Bekunene singakefiki kulomkhosi lapha le ligatsha leli lema correctional services onke eAfrica beka lapha kaNgwane njoba live la kaNgwane belingchair wale African Correctional Services Association kusho ukuthi onke lama associations ema correctionals la lapha eAfrica live la kaNgwane belingchair kwazi kwafika kulesikhathi ukuthi idolo libe selhandisha over chairmanship eBotswana nabo lesibabungelako nekuwe kusho ukuthi sithokodile sibakangwane ukuthi siusebente kahle lo msebenzi wema correctional services.
Correctional officers, preceding the day of today, we had a gathering of correctional services in the region from our organization, which is the African Correctional Services Association, where we have been chair in this past term. We want to thank the Kingdom for steering this organization very well in the term, which has just come to an end yesterday, where our correctional general has handed over the baton to Botswana. And we do take this time today in wishing Botswana well in continuing in prospering this great organization that we dearly hold in the region.
Maphoyisa umhlangano lanjena uyalekelela esigabeni sokuthi nasi ku region sibe ne standard sinye ungathi na ufike eSwatini ukhanze sekwehlukile kepha noma ufike eSwatini noma ngawufike kuliphi lelinye live la eAfrica ukhanze ukuthi onke lama standards ayafanana maphoyisa.
Correctional officers, such an organization is vital for us in maintaining similar standards and procedures regionally and also continentally. This organization is for that reason, and we hope it shall continue doing so.
Sivile ngayela makhosini abikawe ukuthi lo msebenzi loba lapha bekunalama correctional services commissioner general bebashiyela naligwayi ekubukuseni kubambiseni umsebenzi we correctional services ukuthi sto maintain a standard siqhubeke sibe sedulu ngoba konke lesikwendako la Africa sifuna kubamba lesigaba sekwekuthi siya ku 2063 la khona iAfrica konke ema structures eAfrica abe sesigabeni lesedulu maphoyisa.
As Loma Kosini reported here today, that the meeting of the Commissioner Generals of Africa went very well. Indeed, this is in line with our 2063 agenda of unifying and maintaining a continent of similar vision.
Maphoyisa lokuhle kwekuthi emave ayadumisa ngestandard lesibonalisa ukuthi ligatsha langakithi lelibuke labaneti gwegwe nekubacondzisa bavele bawubeka umsebenzi embili bawubeke ube professional lo kulesigaba levele nemhlaba wonke jikelele ubhekile ukuthi nawu nakelele labo lababonala ukuthi kumbe baphambene nemithetho ukuthi noma kunjalo balithole lusito lelingelo ukuthi kusasa babuyele baqonze babe bantu labatawube baqonzile emayimangweni.
Correctional officers, the nations of the world and the international community applauds your great work in the rehabilitation and also the corrections that are given offenders of law. Because indeed it is important that when people have offended the law, they are rightly corrected, rehabilitated, and also reintroduced into their various communities in a very good estate. Therefore, we applaud you for a very good work that you do when these offenders are presented within your shores.
Na loku maphoyisa singafakaza ngoba sivele besikhona nesikhathile lapha labanye babo baye bafike nasebaphumile lapha batodi bongela isandla lebeni baphethe ngaso iyagulu ngoba bathi nabalapha bafike baqabange ukuthi kumbe batawuphatheka kalukhuni kabi kepha bamangale lo musa longaka lobonala ukuthi nabaniketa wona amaphoyisa loyo ngumsebenzi lomuhle lenwendawo amaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, we are also testament to the effect that you do treat well those that are presented within your shores. I have received various testimonies from people who were presented to you who had previously thought that they will be treated badly within your hands. But they have reported to me that they were rightly treated and rehabilitated and once again reintroduced back into their communities.
Baye bangibikele maphoyisa ukuthi kulendlela leni baphatha ngayo kahle bazi bative banelicala nokuthi ingabe kona lesehlakalo labasenda kwase kufikeni ubone ukuthi umuntu nasakathe eshayile enhlitweni usuke kuyindvo lenkulu leyo emaphoyisa.
They do report to me that because of your good treatment and professionalism that you do as you conduct your work here, they have also become remorseful to their conduct and behavior. And this is indeed a good thing, that when people reach the point of remorse, it goes to show that indeed they have repented of their bad behavior.
Maphoyisa labanye baye bangibikele nekwe ukuthi nibanikete ama skills la ngetulu lebe bangawadi nekwe ukuthi batawathola phi ubonakala ukuthi ngekufika la kulemnyango tekuqonzisa labanetigwegwe bathole emakhono langiwo nangaphandle bakhone nokwemukeleka esiveni nalaba baphethe tikhwama tetimali bakhone kubeva babasekele babaniketele ikusasa lelihle emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, some of the past offenders of law have reported to me that whilst within your shores, they have gained various skills which they do not know which university would have imparted such skills upon them. These very skills have worked very well for them as they have been reintroduced in the various communities. They have been welcomed because they have now become a great help in the various communities, and also the financial institutions of the kingdom have supported them very well in re-establishing their trade wherever they are.
Maphoyisa kulesigaba lenihamba ngaso kuyabonakala ukuthi nilandzela iBhayibheli ngoba Jesu uyathi umuntu nangabe akwenda kabi ungaphindiseli wena lokuhle lofanele ukwende wewe ukuthi ube nesihawu nemusa nelithando kuloyo muntu atozabone wewe ukuthi nanaye kulobeka kwendile akusindvo lebekufanele ayende emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, you do indeed show that you follow the Holy Bible and the scriptures that tell us never to practice revenge. When someone does evil to you, you must always return the good. With the compassion and the care that you give these offenders, it is showing indeed that these people have been under your lovely hands.
Lolunyawo ke leni hamba ngalo maphoyisa siyalithumisa kakhulu nekunikhutsata ukuthi njengoba nibambile nesandla lesihle qhubekani nende lo msebenzi lomuhle leniwendako ubanakelela labo leninabo lapha nihlale nabo nibafundzise sikholwa nekwe ukuthi nanabo bayawuthi nase baphumile bakwadi nekwe ukuthi bese batishaya nembala kwe ukuthi abangaphinzi babuye lapha ke nemaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, I commend you and applaud the work that you do here in your facilities. The people that are always brought within you are always well taken care of, and I hope and believe that even those that are still within your shores will continue feeling the same treatment and also be remorseful of their bad acts and never wish to return to their bad ways in future.
Maphoyisa imibiko lengiyitfolako ukuthi leleni kwendako kuyalekelela nokuthi kubehlise ebugebengu eveni lokubonala ukuthi nalo bese ufika uyalishumela lelivangeli lokuthi asitiphatheni kahle sibantu sihlalisane kahle ngemoya lomuhle maphoyisa ukuthi ke loyo msebenzi loyo usitile kakhulu ekutheni bugebengu ngetinombolo behle nalapha kithi sithandaza nokuthi njoba biyehla abuqhubeke behle kakhulu emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, your work and your job is indeed beneficial to the nation because it goes for the reduction of crime in the kingdom. We do pray and hope that this trend will continue declining the rates and levels of crime in the kingdom as those that past offenders repent and forsake their wicked ways. We do hope and believe that crime will continue to go on a downward trend as we lead our lives into the future.
Bekunene kulamalanga njengoba kunelikhetho na kunelikhetho kuyavama ukuthi bantu ngoba sive siyanqoma sinqoma abantu abanyenti bese uyawufuna indlela tekweukuthi kumbe nangidawufika kubantu bangibuke bese kuyawulahleka bogogo nabomkhulu nebantwana na nekuganga konke lokuba khona ukuthi leso siqwayiso asisixwayiso ukuthi njengoba bayasebenza lapha correctional services asingabe sesilethe umsebenzi uba mkhulu kakhulu ngoba kumbe sesifuna ke ungene eParliament ngekusho ngentinya made bantu bekunene.
Correctionals, as we are aware, it is the days of elections that are upon us as a nation. Many are found at times that they believe that in the using of the elderly, Bokoko and Bomkulu and our children, they will then get some luck and also get some privilege into going or getting into parliament. I therefore want to warn the nation to desist from such behavior and not burden the correctional services with more work than they have today. Such behavior is indeed condemned, that no member of parliament nor any other portfolio shall use such behavior where people will go missing amongst us in trying to get luck to get into these positions of power.
Bese kunemkhuba ukuthi laba labakhanya kakhulu kusiwa awuthi na uqhamuka uthole yena ukhanye nje usaqhamuka lapha isheshenza abayivunywe bangakavumi bantu ukuthi ke awudonke le toti iqwayiso nento ekuhlukubeta abantwana bomake ufuneka siqwayise esiveni songana kwendele umsebenzi wemabutho ecorrectional ube malula ukuthi nathi sisive sifanele sibabambise ngalapha ngekwe ukuthi konke lesikwendako singente umsebenzi wabo ube likhuni bekunene.
Also, the continued mutilations of those that are light-skinned amongst us in hope and belief that when I appear before people, I shall be seen from afar and embraced. We want to warn those that are in the habit of these wicked rituals that they conduct on the light-skinned persons, and also the abuse of women and children that continue to bring a bigger burden upon the correctional services, is here reprimanded and condemned in the nation, that such behavior must not continue in the nation in order to relax the burden that is already obtaining within the correctional services.
Maphoyisa kiyo yonke lemsebenzi lemihle lenendako live lonke la kaNgwane liyabonga liyanithumisa ngekutinikela nangekutikhandla ngesikhatsi sonke ngoba noma ngabe nibitiwe ngasiphi isikhathi ukuthi nangumsebenzi kufanele kuyosetshenzwa ute lapho nisebenze khona uvakale ukuthi bese kukhona bese kunjani sithi ke lokho ke asikudumisi kakhulu kulelo nyawo lenihamba ngalo ukuthi live liyawuphila nana uchubeka nento njalo maphoyisa.
Correctional officers, the nation does applaud your great work in the nation. Your acts of good work and kindness have been indeed applauded by the nation, and we do pray and believe that you will continue wherever you are called for any assignment, as it has been reported to me that not even a single day where you have been called upon for duty have you placed personal gratification before your noble duties. Whenever you have been called upon, you have reported timelessly and actively and ready and willing to assist the nation.
Maphoyisa nani ninelabasha lenifikako nikhombisile imfolo yeni display yeni ukuthi cha then maphoyisa sibili kungabusasho nekwekuthi niyafika i-drill leniyendile lapha yabonakala nekwekuthi i-unique senetitayela inalokwa kwayabonalisa ukuthi ni masterishile kakhulu emaphoyisa.
To the passing out recruits today, I must show my personal gratification in what I have observed here today. I could no longer tell who is a recruit and who is a police correctional officer. In the display that you gave here today, I could see the various styles that we're also performing here today, that indeed you have been well trained whilst in the college.
Maphoyisa sithumisa ukutimisela ngoba nani ngiyakholwa ukuthi nani sasuka emakhaya beningadibo ulukhuni bekuba lapha correctional services la khona ndawuvuka ekseni ngishona esikweleni ningenele i-road work ubonalisa ukuthi nabuya nendalo kwanalokwa kepha nayibamba navisa nafika la nikhona njoba kuyabonalisa nekwekuthi nemtimba yakhona iyakhomba kwekuthi niqeqeshiwe senilungele kwekuthi senifanele niyo deploya niye ngetiteshi lapho ndawubekwa khona amaphoyisa.
I have also been impressed by your commitment and the courage demonstrated before me today. I am aware that when you were enlisted to this great assignment, you did not know what lay ahead of you. But whilst here, you have shown your commitment, your courage and zeal in showing that indeed you are committed to the badge that is going to be bestowed upon you. I can see and attest that indeed you are now ready to be deployed to the various stations to go and exercise the trainings that you have been equipped with.
Maphoyisa sithumisa wona ama-instructors enu lebekani khomba indlela nisangena nifika ningazange senende i-training nekufola nako konke lokhu banikhomba ama-instructors naze nafika la senikhona khona namhla senenda le display leseyibonala ukuthi i-professional kakhulu sithi ke asibathumise ngemsebenzi lomuhle labawendile emaphoyisa.
I do take this time, correctional officers, in commending your tutors and trainers that have tutored you so very well. I could see with the drill that indeed a lot of education skills have been imparted upon you that you are going to able demonstrate in your various stations where you are going to be deployed.
Maphoyisa nalembili la ndawo yakhona ngetindzawo lapho ndabe ni deploy khona uqhubeka solo ndinika nifunza ngephoyisa be correctional services kumqoka lokusho ukuthi baye basindlela ibutwa labasembili nitinike lithuba lelifanele ekutheni lo msebenzi niwende ube kahle ni maintain le standard lesemaphoyisa la khona yalo lasibambile ukuthi ungathi wawu sekufikela balabasha base bafike bayona ukuthi nani nawubambisana nabo umsebenzi welive utozihambe kahle emaphoyisa.
Now that you are about to go and join other correctional officers, I charge you here today to go and join them, showing your bravery, showing your loyalty and courage as you join them wherever they are. You are to learn from them so that there is no division among the ranks, and it becomes obvious that these are now the new recruits that have just passed out. I charge you to join them and learn from them and take the baton and do us proud as a nation.
Sikolone ukuthi nani khona lena education indawo uqhubeka nitinike telithuba leqhubeka ku maintainer le standard nge training nangako konke lokuhle kulamalanga nekuthi sekwaba nema technology lengawasebenzisa ukuthi empowerisha konke lokho siyakholwa ukuthi indawo wenda konke ezingeni ukuthi emaphoyisa correctional services the standards sawo siqhubeke sibe sethu kakhulu emaphoyisa.
As you go to join the other correctional officers, I charge you to maintain the prevailing standards in the correctional services of His Majesty. I charge you to utilize the technology that is obtaining in our days in developing yourselves and continuing to lift up the standard of His Majesty's correctional services in the kingdom.
Sikolwa nekuthi njoba sinlalele emaphoyisa nithatha sifungo ukuthi nawuba ngamaphoyisa 24/7 nawubambisa live la kusingeka khona lusito la ufanele wende khona lusito uyabe uuniform ungekho kuuniform awuya ukuthi angekho kuuniform ngako ke ngeke ngendene njoba seningenile namuhla kuba ngemaphoyisa kusukela namuhla wonke umsebenzi lisondvo kunini ngumgcibelo ngumsombuluko niyasebenta amaphoyisa ngalokubhekekile.
Correctional officers, the oath of office and loyalty that you have declared here today must become your moral compass and guiding principle as you go about your many important duties. A key defining trait in your exposition is that you are expected to be a correctional officer 24/7. This is indeed your new reality that you must acclimatize yourselves with as you go about doing your important duties wherever you are stationed as a correctional officer.
Maphoyisa siyathandaza ukuthi nisangenela lo msebenzi na ubamba lo msebenzi ngebuqotho nangemaqiniso nigwame kulandzela emanga nemacebo nakonke lokho ngoba umuntu uphiliswa liqiniso emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, I do hope and believe that you will maintain integrity, your core values as a correctional officer. As you go about doing your work, you will refrain from every behavior that will bring disrepute to the badge of honor that you wear. You will at all times be found on the correct side of the law as you do your work wherever you are called upon as a correctional officer.
Maphoyisa ngawo lamagama lawa sekubonga kakhulu umsebenzi maphoyisa ukuthi nani lamagama lesesiwabekile siyakholwa ukuthi aweleta indlebeni letivako letilalelako naletitsatsako futhi ukuthi noma ngaso ufikelwa silingo lesinjani wathi ukuthi kunyunza kwamunye wenu uyabunyunza lonke lelibutho lelapha embi kwami maphoyisa.
Correctional officers, I am of the firm belief that the words that we have spoken here today have not fallen upon deaf ears, but the advice given to you and the charge bestowed upon you has fallen upon hearing ears that will indeed bring about a good disposition in your discipline and behavior wherever you will be found. I therefore charge you that you continue to uphold all the advice that has been given to you here today.
Maphoyisa nanamuhla elangeni lelinjengaleli uningedatho loqina nila correctional services esigabeni sekusine live la kaNgwane liyawunibambisa ngiko konke emaplan nemaphupho nembono lenayo kwenda ukuthi umsebenzi we-correctional services nisawenda niwende ngesigaba lesisetulu nalesifanele nangekubona ukuthi konke nenhlala kahle iba sezingeni lelisetulu emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, as we are here and the nation is here, is showing that indeed the nation is behind you, correctional officers, in providing all the amenities and also the support that you do need in the furtherance of your duties wherever you will be found. We give you the assurances that the nation will continue supporting your social welfare and every need that you shall bring to the nation, it shall support.
Maphoyisa siyathokoza ukuthi nasite kutonivusela nende netetfulo nani maphoyisa leto tetfulo lendethulile tonke nato siyatibonga kakhulu sithi kwanze lapho nithethe khona maphoyisa.
Correctional officers, we are also glad that upon our visit here, you have given us various gifts, which we are grateful for and do pray God's blessing upon you for these great gifts given to us today.
Maphoyisa ngiseta lapha correctional services bangibikele esigabeni sekutheni njoba labanye bese bathola umhlala phansi bese kubonakala nembala ukuthi awu sekuvuleka tikhala maphoyisa bese kuyabonakala ukuthi ke awu leto tikhala leto tifanele tigcwaliswe maphoyisa.
Correctional officers, whilst preparing to come here, I have been informed that some have retired amongst you and have presented vacancies in the force. It then becomes important that vacancies must at all times be filled.
Ngako maphoyisa ndawufika kiyo kule ndzaba leyo ndawuteka na indzaba nalapha lenhlala nabo ngalapha esigabeni sekuthi njengoba live liya celebrate iminyaka leng 55 lisuku nendiphethe ukuthi kuye kube kuhle ukuthi nabo laba lenhlala nabo lapha kube khona ukuthi kube neliqolo lelitawuba khona ukuthi uthi awu nako lokho maphoyisa sekutawuvele kulungiswe kwendele ukuthi nalifika lusuku konke kube sekuvele sekumenyetelwe maphoyisa.
Correctional officers, I will return to the issue that I've just reported to you, but I would like to address the inmates that you do stay within your shores. As we are celebrating our double celebration this year, it becomes important that we do also afford them some pardon and parole of those inmates that are within your shores. So before the main event, announcements will be made by the relevant authorities to ensure that they are pardoned and those that need parole are given.
Maphoyisa bangibikele ukuthi la kushoda khona kubo Deputy Commissioner General lengidaba busisa namuhla njengoba sengidaba memeta maphoyisa.
Correctional officers, it has been reported to me that the vacancies are in the post of Deputy Commissioner General, and I shall announce those that shall fill those vacancies today.
Maphoyisa weqala kutaba ngiphindile kungasuye lo lamakhosini phindile glory wakasibanze maphoyisa.
The first Deputy Commissioner General that I announced to you is Pindile, but not the Pindile that you know as Commissioner General Lomakosini, but this one is Pindile Gloria Masego, whom I present to you today. Sbanze. Right.
Lo wesibili utaba ngu Ephraim Twala.
The second one is Ephraim Twala.
Ngabo ke laba lababili bo Deputy Commissioner lesenginipha wona lesendawo sebenda nabo sithemba ukuthi na uqhubeka nabo nibabambise ngemoya lomuhle umsebenzi utohamba kahle maphoyisa.
These are the two Commissioner Generals that I'm giving you today, and I hope you will work well with them and give them all the necessary support that they need.
Maphoyisa ngawo lamagama lawa sekwekusho ukuthi lamaphoyisa lamasha lebekaphothulwa namuhla kusukela namuhla sengemaphoyisa ngokwemthetho maphoyisa.
It now remains for me, correctional officers, to declare that the passing out correctional recruits here today are officially placed under my hand as fully fledged correctional officers today.
Siyabonga uNkulunkulu asibuse sonke bekunene.
I thank you. May Almighty God bless us all.
Uyababa mhlongo
Hey,
kaNcwele.